What's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon to review a specific product from Acetec, and I am with Sheldon, one of the certified Poseidon gun techs. Sabihin na natin, one of the three legendaries na nandito. Siyempre, big shoutouts shoutouts kay Sir Ivan for connecting us with this item. Pero first, check muna natin, how's the trip with MOA Taiwan 2025?
Well, masaya. And I think one of the biggest things is very enlightening siya on the potential of airsoft to grow in the Philippines. Not gonna get too much into it, pero I think for the guys that were there, we were all enlightened on like what we can do to like improve the community sa Pilipinas with like a lot of the things that are coming.
Siyempre, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo or the best experience or features na na-witness mo sa MOA?
I would say definitely yung the fact na inalaw kami ni LCT to play around with their prototypes. Dalawang prototype yung ginamit namin and they asked feedback. So it's nice to have a company na that wants to listen to the customer and to the market.
Okay, so we have him here to speak or to discuss a specific product from Acetec, which is the Acetec Quad S. And can you tell me more about this product?
Yeah. So I think nagkamali din ako nagkamali din ako nung ginawa ko yung video na to. It's actually just Quadra. Kala ko Quad S.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
so,
Quadra.
Guys.
So, really, to be honest with you guys, this thing is coming sa Pilipinas soon enough, but this is just a sample right now. There's nothing too special about it regarding comparing it to other Acetec tracers, as far as I know. Pero one of the key features niya, well, the best feature niya is the fact that it looks like a compensator talaga. Hindi katulad ng parang mini bilog na
suppressor, silencer
So,
type.
mukha siyang silencer na maliit. That doesn't really make sense. So, I think their market here is more of the milsim, the milsim scene talaga. So, it's your standard, meron siya yung standard na muzzle flash. Pag pinutok mo siya, it can illuminate green BBs. And, yeah, again, nothing too special compared sa ibang Acetec tracer. It's just the form. Yung form kasi talaga niya is hindi ganun kasakit sa mata. Sorry, ayaw ko maging hater sa mga ganun na builds. Pero ito kasi, ito mo, ang pogi niya, it looks sleek. It looks like it's a compensator lang.
Yan.
Kulang na lang nito smoke effect.
Oo nga, and ang liit niya talaga. Like most of the nanos na nakikita natin.
Yeah.
I think siya yung pinakamaliit ngayon sa market na pa-box type. Na, alam mo yun, iba yung shape. So, here we go. Test fire tayo para makita natin how does it work or paano nga ba siya sa Glock.
Go na.
Ako. Let's go.
Unahan mo na.
Simulan na natin. Firing!
Ganda, gago. Tingnan
naman.
Di ko kasi naputok to nung nasa Taiwan kami actually. Wala to dun sa range nila. But I wanna see. Pero you bring up a good point. Actually, ngayon ko na naisip na sobrang compact nga nito.
Yes.
And how they actually made the technology fit.
Pinapakita mo siya, nasa bulsa mo lang eh. And di ba, parang come to think of it na bigla ka nalang makakabunot ng tracer out of nowhere. So, yeah, I think that's it. Meron na ba tayong, next year na to?
I'm not sure kung kailan rarating, pero may order ang 6mm. So definitely this is coming to the Philippines. Limited lang yung first stock. It's like around 10 pieces lang.
Siyempre,
so, pre-order kayo if you want.
I think marami magiging interested. Again, that's the first ng Acetec. May estimated price ba tayo for them to watch out or ano man yung mga nag-iipon?
Wala pa. Unfortunately,
okay, watch out na lang. Make sure to like and follow 6mm or the Discord itself, no, para ma-update tayo for any possible pricing at pagdating ng Acetec Quad. So again, Sir Sheldon, thank you so much for your time. And that's it for the Acetec Tracer na bago.
All right, see you guys.